And shifting focus to the island nation of Madagascar now, which, like many other African countries, is rushing to protect its economy from the steep tariffs by the Donald Trump administration. In April, the US president threatened a 47% reciprocal tariff on one of the world's highest on Madagascar. Now, the latest replaced it with a 10% universal levy. Donald Trump has set an 8th of July deadline for most countries to strike a deal or risk reinstatement of the tariffs. Now, after China and France, the US is the third largest trading partner for the Indian Ocean island nation, with a total trade of $822 million in 2024. Madagascar, the world's largest vanilla producer, is in talks with Washington to resolve their trade imbalances after Donald Trump's tariff announcement. So, protect its economy from the tariff shocker, Madagascar is forming new partnerships and alliances. It is now seeking to boost investments from the United Arab Emirates to push its tourism and energy sectors. Madagascar and the UAE are also in talks about potential investments in sugar and vanilla processing plants, luxury hotels to support a 1 million tourist goal, and energy projects to meet the rising demands. The island nation is also in talks with Emirates Airlines, one of the world's largest carriers, to start daily direct flights between Dubai and Antananarivo, the capital. Now, this would not just boost tourism, but also trade through air freight. Earlier this year, Madagascar and the UAE also signed an economic partnership to facilitate trade. The Indian Ocean island also plans to open an embassy in Abu Dhabi soon. The United Arab Emirates says that it is not just a new trade route for Madagascar, but a platform that can help it connect to other markets of the world. Not just Madagascar, the UAE has been striking deals and making investment pledges across Africa to expand its influence. The Gulf power aims to diversify its income beyond oil. In 2023, the UAE was the top investor in Africa, contributing $44 billion in investment. Last year, Abu Dhabi Wealth Fund, ADQ, also announced an investment of $35 billion in Egypt to develop land on its Mediterranean coast. It's not just the UAE. Other countries in West Asia have shown growing interest in Africa. They have either expressed intent or closed deals worth at least $6 billion in African energy assets in the past few weeks. Among them is Saudi Arabia. Now, Saudi firms like ACWA Power and Red Sea Gateway Terminal that are backed by the kingdom's $925 billion sovereign wealth fund are actively investing or bidding for assets in South Africa's energy sector. So, will the West Asian powerhouse be the shield for African nations against Donald Trump's tariffs?
Firstpost now available in 9 languages on YouTube. English,
Stands at $36 trillion.
French,
Le FMI, comme
German,
Geschäftsführenden Direktor,
Hindi,
$30 trillion ka-charge mo.
Indonesian,
Pemerintah tanpa pemeriksaan.
Italian,
Skali radikali.
Japanese,
$4 mo.
Portuguese,
Por causa do próprio balanço patrimonial.
Spanish.
Beautiful bill.
Go to Settings, click on Audio Track and select a language of your choice. Be the first to know what's happening around you in your first language. Firstpost.